All right, these are finished detail notes. Lowe's customer 1890 Pierce is the customer name. Let me give you a real quick overview of the kitchen. We've got the refrigerator area. A lot of customers are doing this finished end on the refrigerator. Turns out really nice. Got some storage here on the end that you normally wouldn't get. Also, that comes, I think some of them come with a hanger inside of them for like if you want to put brooms or something. This is Diamond Cabinets, and Diamond Cabinetry is the only cabinet company that has a door height from there to the floor of like 55 inches, 57 inches. So a broom will fit in that cabinet if you decide that you want to do that with your kitchen. Here we went ahead and put the molding to the ceiling. We started with a riser, 3-inch riser. This is a 9-foot ceiling. Upper cabinets are all 18 inches tall. So if you take a look there, gives it a nice focal point at the top, having them all the same height. Those are actually wine crate above the sink area. That really brings that area down and boxes in above the window, makes it look nice and contemporary across there. Gives you a little bit of extra storage, and then it gives you some accent point above the window. Customers going with a microwave that sits in a box so that they don't have one on the countertop. Here on the bottom, you've got your cabinetry. It's in a navy blue color. I think it's called Blue Graphics is the name of it. But as far as the contrasting color, you can see there the color difference between the upper and the lower makes a huge contrast, pretty look to the room as far as something different. And then here you turn the corner. They actually have a wall that's 45 degrees over here in the corner. Now they don't make a cabinet that matches this, so we just took a sink front and actually used extended style left and right. It was a 3-inch extended style left and right. And then we ordered a floor, matching color floor to go inside right there. And so you've actually got a built-in cabinet then that has the complete corner to use as storage space. Here we've got a set of drawers to the left of the stove. Stove opening here, then to the right. We've actually got another base 21 and a drawer pull-out. This is a base waste paper can pull-out. Now this is the double tub, 18-inch double tub. Something that's pretty neat here on the bottom, if you take a look, customer has got a toe kick vacuum. That's actually a vacuum cleaner that you can sweep all of your dust from around the room here up near the face. Then you can take your foot and press the trigger right there, and it actually turns the vacuum cleaner on and sucks up the dust inside of a little compartment. And once a month or so, you just pull that out and clean it out, and makes things a little easier so you don't have to bend over and use a dustpan all the time. Makes it a little easier to get the room cleaned out. Upper cabinets on this one turn the corner as well, but they did not return to the right hand side. And this is a really good choice if you're wanting to have a more open look to the kitchen. If you were to take and put those cabinets along that wall as well, you would pretty much just be making another pie shelf cut in the corner. And so you would be charged linear footages along both walls. And in this instance, you wouldn't really gain anything to that. So having the cabinet stop and then having the finished doors and the decorative ends make that a really nice finished look on the end of it. It also gives you a big open space there so that you have a more open feel to the kitchen. A lot of things in this kitchen that are a little upgrades. Let me take one more thing here. This is a sink base 33. To the right of it, we've actually got a pull-out filler. Now in this particular one, a pull-out filler, you're going to put like your detergents and stuff like this, some type of smaller storage stuff, scouring pads, stuff like this. In this particular one, the cabinet has to be wood. You can see right here, that's the only way that it mounts, is it screws into the edge of the cabinet. The cabinet has to be wood, and we should have had a base end panel over here. There should have been a BEP 3L over here. Customer went and picked me up a piece of plywood. We made a leg for the side of that. This has to be installed for you designers that are wanting to use one of these. This has to be installed between two end panels. You can't have a filler on one side of it. It has to have a leg that goes all the way to the floor for the countertop to sit on, and then also to have something to attach to. So if you look there, it's attached on this side like I showed you. It's also attached on that side from the inside. So really neat little piece, but it has to be in the design correctly to work right as far as the right pieces. I think that's pretty much it. Light rail, that is a really nice look as far as the light rail on the bottom of the cabinets as well. If you have any questions about this kitchen, oh, wait a minute, one more thing. These cabinets are all 15 inches deep. So normal depth on cabinets is 12 inches. And these cabinets are all 15 inches deep. So you've got a lot of extra interior storage that you wouldn't normally have. And the way they did that was they took a 27 by 27 corner cabinet, which would normally stick out, you know, an extra 3 inches deeper than the cabinets. And they just used that as the anchor in the corner and then just went off with 15-inch depth cabinets across the rest of it. Every cabinet in this room is at 15 inches deep. So you're talking about tons of extra storage space front to back, casserole dishes, other types of beverages and stuff like that that you can put away that wouldn't fit other places normally inside of a 12-inch cabinet. So again, the room's just full of all little things like that. If you have questions about this kitchen, feel free to give me a call at 423-650-1051. The designer for this kitchen is Gail in 1890 Lowe's of McMinnville. Thanks very much. Have a good day.